For most of our customers, their products or whatever they're shipping, whatever we're packaging for them is generally worth a lot of money, or their brand is important, or they can get damaged very easily, and the cost of any kind of damage outweighs the cost of their packaging. And so it's important for them to do the right thing, to have the packaging that's going to allow their product to arrive at its destination, unpack safely and easily, and then be able to work. So we've had a number of different examples where we've actually done on-site packaging service for our customers, and we've replaced a competitor. And the customer said, I don't know, the competitor XYZ has packaged these test cells, for example, and they ship to Singapore, and they get there and they keep burning up and they don't work. And then weeks later, after we've packaged them, we asked them how it went, and they said, every single one of yours turned on and worked fine. So there's a trend for our customers and their customers that is going away from shipping piece parts or components and having them be integrated at the site, and having them be integrated here and then ship complete, which complicates the packaging requirements. But the goal is that when the product gets to, or the item or device or whatever gets to the end use site, it's a complete product and it has to just be plugged in and work. So for example, we have done something for a customer that was it was an interesting challenge because it's a very sophisticated microscope. And originally they were shipping them as the microscope and the lenses and the base and the power supply, and then it gets to a lab, and the lab technicians had to put it together and calibrate it and make it work. And you can imagine medical devices, or a lot of computer type things, or racks of servers and storage equipment gets to a customer, and they're like, now they're in these pieces and I got to put it together and make it work. Especially in a doctor's office, they don't want to do that. So the goal for our customers and their customers is to have it show up and be in working order. Again, I mentioned that complicates the packaging, because now you're packaging something that's more sophisticated and less durable. But that's what we've been able to do to design that and make the stuff work. Originally with the microscope, I thought that was an impossible task. There's no way it's going to be too sensitive and not be able to work. And we've been making that packaging now for that product for, I think, 10 years. And they get to the laboratories and they turn on and they work, and never had a customer complain.